Right now, Tobey's preening me. I'm trying to get used to how that feels. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What a good boy. You say good boy? Good boy. Good boy. You say good boy? Good boy. He's also not used to being over here. Oh, I knew he'd do that. I knew he'd know the camera was on. I knew it. And now I think he's going to poop for everybody. Well, that's good. I don't want you pooping on me. I knew it. He knew the camera was on. Oh, my gosh. You don't want to come down here and be with Mama? He's been down here for about 30, 40 minutes. Oh, well. Life goes on.